While many tourists obsess over spotting a tiger, they often miss out on the rest of the jungle and its ecosystem. India is home to a large number of deer species and antelopes, and Pench Tiger Reserve is one of the many remaining habitats in Asia for them. Today, we will introduce you to a fairly shy creature who typically roams alone or in small groups. Sambar deer is one of the most widely found and is the largest deer species native to the Indian subcontinent. Sambar deer's habitat range from evergreen forest to the foothills of the Himalayan mountains. Known to have an excellent sense of hearing and smell to detect their predators, these creatures are excellent swimmers and are never found very far from water bodies. Like most deer, Sambars are herbivores in nature and eat only plants. They are not very picky and feed on leaves, various grasses, foliage, fruits, berries, bamboo, as well as a wide range of shrubs and trees. The body of Sambar is covered in a yellowish-brown or dark brown coat. The males can be distinguished by their antlers, as well as a darker menace on their neck. They are also slightly larger and darker than the females and the young ones. The tail is relatively long for a deer and is generally black on the top and white on the underside. Sambars are polygamous in nature. The male is often seen mating with multiple females. However, the males are said to guard their rutting territory and attract female deer by means of vocal display and smell. The gestation period rests for almost 6 to 8 months, after which a single offspring is born. The young ones, who are very active, are weaned at about 7 months of age. Like most deers, Sambars are generally quiet, although their first instinct is to freeze when disturbed. They will confront predators with loud, alarmed barks to make them appear more intimidating. Sambar is known as the largest oriental deer, with some adult males weighing as much as 550 kilograms. But here's a fun fact. The heaviest of the Sambars can even outweigh a full-grown tiger in its prime.